是什么？哎，我知道好不好？
Why is everyone foreign? No Mahjong, even you.
Yeah.
You need to take a shot after.
Mahjong have 3 ways for the next player to play a tile. We call them Pong, 抓, and 吃. The first one, Pong, is for every players. One situation is that like when you have 2 same tiles and someone play a tile and that tile is same as your tiles. You can say Pong and put these 3 tiles in front of all your tiles. Moreover, Pong even have priority than 抓 and 吃. The second way to play a tile, we call them 抓 in Chinese. And this is the most simple one. Just like the first player break the wall, we take next tile this time. The final way we call it 吃. It is kinda similar to Pong. We are going to take a tile to complete a streak instead of complete a set of 3. Any player who collects 3 sets or 3 straight and 2 eyes first will be the winner. We have 2 ways to win. 我胡了 or 自摸. 我胡了 means when I'm collecting the last tile and someone just plays that tile. 自摸 is me. I take the last tile I need by myself. And when you are collect the last tile, you don't need to speak out or tell anyone, but you can.
那你知道放枪是什么吗？
不要在那边教有的没的。
放枪 ，no no no yes if I take your card
It's your turn.
and
She
I
played
win,
the
that
two,
means you 放枪。
two
Oh,
sword.
you thought.
Yes, you don't have the 2-3. Yes, and you don't have 2 the